semra Coastal Television do adoma kwadom nti ende ifida busuma yomi ne da otodo oyede basa nyamete nkona hoje no odi ache nti se bebi a wo bia no erehwe hina na Coastal Television ena America say egudu erehwe ye wo digital 514 nti ekoho ada ye wo bia no enye wo beche fefefe da mara so na ye wo live wo oye YouTube na ebri omem sama yen saka na ye mechefa na madrebo so na yen hwe sama obidi no mu akotini be ICC mpemfu di atugwa akireme de so man Ghana yekoto aba na besi de membri yente besebese ya na ofikasa kira okrodo damara na yemena tumara akotia na suhum abani na no mpemfu na bambo edmayefo no ayemise kunkunfi mo wode asomdwe atotuna kwema imprempre we declare mpa oroko meshebogom na ya odi nkunyem wo oye amampanyin na egwanodo yaboko na yakohwe nsama nkofo nsusu worehwe de imprempre ya to abewie ochina ya depen besi ibra yewumi ebe na depoti na worehwe de aban ombanyam ho ya nkofo bidi nkomo ti na da akawo na bri aya na chafa madrebo so humi from Kitikeku asorba Kofi Esuma afi ya na nji nsama numu nchechire yenye pefede ochina ya dapenko na man Ghana yekwa na yekoto aba yeti yimpeyifa wa bohwe na wa komreshe bogom dodumpo nyimpefede wo hwe nyim kwande na nche nsusuimpo ndamba na biampo adandwe ne de eni sama yekube yedom dodo a otse de komreshe bogom na so enya bandam ojintofumi ni mo sa bansa na sa abansa na wa bandam ta emsua no Coastal Television yanye mpemfa wada oye NCC ejoku ano wo finfimanto ha yanye won abonkomo ebisa kor ana ebie na nokori wada man esiponu pi popo de NCC won de wo ahrowa wo bai fa oye monwonto vote nje oye vote buying na onye asomdwe won sama NCC gba pro no da men seminti na abande yetu yato aba ma asomdwe eyitiri na NCC mpemfa enyo bonkomo usianya hweda wakani.
Very good, because in fact your data you pick here and stand here na issue with vote buying. Na another unkofu no oyada unkofu akodache, but this particular election vote buying no your issue. In fact, but a woman there, even this year, of course, but Nkofu, what is the because of the market, Nkofu is no one can say what we know the routine the way. It's more odd day there, a divine and Sika coffee chain. Ghana for especially education area, that's a Mamu be in Vesica, on Vega. On for promise be there is a review me and India, my own special advisor. On Van Dada, then Kenya to be on some another because of that in the version not to Abadama. Nimum Yankee policies now what they ban. Yankee to the main people, okay, what's it? A hopa when you have them going over to you, so I can have it today. Obi a Breno, actually in the year. We know on my power part, if we get in the year, they said, be Yaman, Quenya, or to my the policy is quite, in fact, education is quite. Nakasa, honestly, if you are near peace, that is no ambassador of peace. We can't be a peace match, you know. Yeah, virtually. Yeah, can say I'm your voice of ground or pray. And I focus on the peace, now vote by now or your focus. And you can get maybe I'm going to chase the capana or to influence. Ofana abato ntuntu nkoko And that was our focus. Until Boma, baby, what is the kind of nuisance I don't know. The amount of father said, one casa said, you man, drown and I'm 4 years of young 20 cities, 30 cities, 40 cities, 100 cities, and some. I quite have a couple up from what action. That was a message that we should throughout the country and a region. There was our message. And you feel that so far, yes, one I said to say you are common also. By 4 years, you put my access on that. One so, nah, said to say you. I wish a man or that show.
Agency Ebusia, Ora Patek, Owusu Afro, and son, Afro Saman and Suara, Ochiado, now Ochemede, Oyamoko Zema, or Mangana, Numumba, Titarimpo, or Bra, Yakwatu Aban, O Sunday, Osha, Oya NCC, Aprabo, Way, Wakro, Oya, Meme P, or Oya Fifi Mantom Ha, na Yasha Fifi Manto, Men Sin Par, Oya, Ebanu, Ebasani Nano. And Coco be baby, no one to one call baby to be a casua, and a non partner or a dear so. Not the Ake Nano, NCC Bar Pro, now within some of tell me the tuba. Into my young way, they are got to about the intimacy of the city. Not the bar, NCC Bueno, Argentine.
Now, Mura, I share National Commission for Civic Education, NCC. One man lived in Austin. Okay, but I have one of this, she said, I have report to them in Austin. Because I'm there. I said, Ansan, Yebenia, ever started, I was from the Fourth Republic. In a different republic, about first, second, third. Banina, on to me, engineer. The Penguin, what 1992 constitution, there. Obeying it, obeying Mukubia. Obutum, what church a man for Minara, Fasaw, or yet Cabina and Cabina, so they said, you'll be from Washington, the Marbrino, what our body, it's no big that you could be offered National Commission for Civic Education. But, Constitution, Russia, 3 organizations in the Odyssey one, or the National Media Commission, NCC, no, in Shraj. One where the original organizations are 1992 constitution was shared. And to say I can democracy cabinet be and then I'm wait 32 years now. In Tunka, ni or National Commission for Civic Education. Because I'm there, constitutions are ever seen only the Mabrina. On the Basabasaya are open, and confront us in NCC, you know, Edumapunka, we to my amount for church, 1992 constitution, waited 32 years. So you're there, wow, and then got Yena. Until 1992 constitution, I NCC, that way a month. Until the other bad, I don't know. Let's start about the 4 year window to be here. Say, Oban Day, a papa, Obibiara in Tum. Say, one of the original more water. Assemblia no can so good my own to you. We are can try no account no. So no more your power now. I then so good to my you or you go and you be. The NCC international there. Open here there. Oh yeah, you got to share your boy my democracy no. Until you open accountability. And time sign the baby now they want to happen. Father the work model, no good to my back now mountain there. One thing. Say, I may have no what to happen among us. The men summon I can't talk on one of their benchmark. I know what the measure of performance and I want to soon put you say. That was the foundation. I wanted them initially get the dialogue in the bay. Dialogue and it is not why I need today. Because you can either academic, and go maybe a war preposition. Now, be I chairman go to my head. But oh yeah, the MP for no. What did you may be brave? What she said. And saying to that not age. And see, let the Boba degree only the Median Union after 10 years. Some of them 10 years. Because we can wire adolescents. And it's only and can't travel. I don't know. that company for you, the obeying the city, or the yes soon, yes, but largely, you know, or yes, successful. There are few districts, more than constituencies, 4 constituencies now, into my or Upper Danger, West, yes, Kasua, Mine, and there's another district, also Kasua, Diaso, Mine, and People South, almost wasn't what I'm not about to organize, but there was another. Say because the security reasons, especially Kasua, issues or tension or
NCC mpanyinfo na Coastal Television na yombo nkomo chem da so many ya to aba na yehu asomdwe kofe a otedama no ye jesam na nusunsuari na so ogina NCC woni de wo ahorowa wodi chiman aman ahoro de titarenko fimfim Anthony na de wuba wo bo de fa asomdwe ho ono na waso abadam ebusia ye che nsam no da na abatu a yekoto yi baya mensimensin baya ana ibase bi wo ha no kwani na mentemu asenti abatu komisa ne bambo edumayefo no amakwan ma wankan baya ndebia na ndebasa abasin kwano nti anada na mberema kwan na abatu komisa na bambo edumayefo no wote wonu susu na hihye na dutugo wabra amanyoku ebieni na no wotase me che NPP amanyoku no NDC amanyoku ebieni wotase be mo wakisi beren oye nti awode abatu komisa de nusunsalo ode tuba yenkwa akotia na yenkwohwe akotia bra abatu komisa bobo nkate na no wo oye police station yawie na wo denezi de NPP amanyoku na wedi mu nkonyem na ya oje mesego muso orokono yakokwohwe bi.
Deputy Regional Director, police officers here, past agents, ladies and gentlemen, Akwatia constituency results. On behalf of the chairperson of Electoral Commission, I want to announce, because we are done with the collation, so I want to announce the presidential results. Muhammad Baumia got 17,948. Daniel Augustus Lati, 40. Ekadonko had nothing. Christian Kabina Andrews, 53. Kofi Akalu, 3. Mohammed Frimpong, 7. Nana Akofia Frimpoma, 35. John Dramani Mahama, 17,685. Hassan Abdullah Ayariga, 36 votes. Kofi Brantin, 4 votes. George Chumberima Edu, 13 votes. Nana Kwame Bediako, 255 votes. Alan John Kodo Chamatin, 33 votes. Total valid votes, 36,112. Total rejected ballots, 698. Total vote cast, 36,810. Thank you very much. Then I proceed with the declaration of Akwatia constituency member of parliament. Akwatia constituency. Ernest Kumi had 19,000 269 votes. Henry Yadon Boache had 17,206 votes. Total valid votes 36,475. Total rejected 294. Total vote cast 36,769. With this, or based on the results so far, based on the results mentioned, and on behalf of the chairperson, I declare Ernest Kumi as the MP elect for Akwatia constituency.
Inti owura Ernest Kumi ono na Akwatia abatuni na nsunsuado no weyin akyere de ono na oti nkoyi wo mrehebogom inti ono na roko mrehebogom na wekigina adesha wo Akwatia abato mposedo na ode asomwan yefi Akwatia yerko oyesuhum no so na mentem ho asenti abatu commission bambo edmayefo no ampene de obaka na aba wo memenda kusida na dodani na osande na mentem ho asoro bense wanhwe na wanfa edua munisi nanyim na wantena se wondim koma ebusua nche ye nta asam papa eyenti NDC NPP wonyina wakobenkruma melkese asomdwe aba esa asomdwe abada na kon abada wama oye abatu commission de odoti nsunsuande biara obodegwa no ododo tugwa ma desha woto abamu na mpa ma yetoe onara na abatu commission wabobo odame nti yankoso na yankoso koso da okro.
Total votes cast 23,282. In the absence of my returning officer and the power vested in me as the deputy returning officer, I therefore declare Mr. Pami Apia-Kobia of the MPP as the winner of the parliamentary elections in the Fatiaka North constituency.
Na se yako ono yewia yin pefede ya to abewie nkofo hwehwe enyim kwane de abatu no sunsuado we kwowie mesese ne enyo mampen na oti egwado na wabada na man na wode hwehwe biara asane nsa de omohwe omanga na tetue no ebe na de party pa na wo hwe enyim kwan de omampen John Dramani Mahama obaye no fa wo ho yako eta nkofo wo kan bi
Henry Road na Heneju Masam pede mpuntu okodo ozimahe na afi nso wo hyenyen bo bi de bia wo abeye abadimpo woda na tem woda wo abeye okwati woda na but yehwe nyima awamba ntisisi a abanu abeye hyede ebia ano so baba behyenyen na mbona wetumi na esifom no wetumi aye damazi no odama ata wa kada odesi ne no do no be wenso ye dim pai boy ye dikanechi de obotumi aye no odama ye pede ye dim pai boy ye dinechi na mo odesi ne no do be ye no ohwe no ye no odama
and wabano or there way in Juma old government and other previous government you want to know completely. When you work at there, only a party A one project until young children bansana. And to Wabano, you may be away JBR, projects be away JBR, going to know completely. But the new government, now or completely, now development, and all for the opening, so now something okay, Central Region, for education side now. When the schools you anchor first, no, a board and pay. and who the students were serious because teachers were too much on or Siade Bibia, but see, the bone there, the students album, Obanama, Aduciano, and a school no one resort on your fete today, first in this month, in Timpere, say dormitory now when you school government now, but on home was an one dormitory in come now on your school board and pay. Okay. CCR Urban Central Regional and the Ndima Baby near today. Okay, we today, Kumasi na Accra na Obanama youth now or Hadin. They be no do to quite, they be no do to quite. So Kayesha or there regional one. Ndima Otumo pay factories they go to, but no youth no. Otumo will stay. No way you man now once when you are well wishing one. What do you think?
Iti tankofo rususu orihwe nimu kwanda nsa baka fi oye amampai na sesere ya twaba mu usane de bra na owa ban wa fimpi bebien onye desie ne mu no jumeda hurupi na oye ya abana owodi mfia wo twintempo we nyina nya atwencha wankasa ho nti nkofo rihwe nimu kwanda titsere mpo anye kwanda mi yi blocks abana sisi abanfoforo ba wankasa unanu oda ban open you ohwe no de oye baby amafama bada no odeka ho na omadam sukuru okoro sande dam free SHS ya abobadi ebusheni no ga baje mtai na mum do be green gold another money de sisa meka se binum tifie binum amopan amokom otifie ne binum so school usually ni nara obientra senti wo nti se obamaden na wa be aboshema oya da musukura adana wosisi a wenwie na no owia yimda mofrema ibiri ntrefie ne be esuade ansa de bi so wasana akọ no nyina wia wa kache fana agents bi orin sibio ntida nkofo rehwe enyim kwani ebusuya konsem fufuru na we hosama anada osi wo win ba kwantempo no do no na nenwe yenya nenwe yenya pa nti Coastal Television yenye nuanom wo oyen kramete Adum TV na Adum FM na katebaka oye kofieje enyo oba pro na okoto oye DO2 owura Frederick Edupoku yene bonkomo bisem no chechem na otenteto said ma oye ahenkafo de nukori brenya bosa yatetipi na so omompre nine umompere ni na ayankafo no do munya bota na wote ye hunejuma wariye DO2 nesamedi
yes e bana sano ena nia ofri Accra eba leka kaso eba onu me ndai kwiti no ono eni sprinter no ebenya head on na reporter yeti eni HSS na sensa ka HSS nipa miensa na say what they want omo be say 20 and so prepare no edin pa na 20 no nipa mema 13 ena emma and so so sana mekanipa mensa omo so efiri mo no port no chese mema mi no ba about to say mekanipa say drivers no omo fa road traffic regulations no enye juma baby accident no see no nanka ensese isi wo bibi asenko na kakra bia ka nya esi no entumi ensi na hwese nipa omo etike mu ebinom amanfo abusuafo ebinom omo fa egina afoforo enkwa so beka omo ye dependent ewo afoforo eso na ebinom so abọ modern ebi obi ne sika kakra wanya afri adwuma ye mu odi atoka edi amma onipa na se driver se onfanya adwuma se na bi ono so bi na odi akona no na abotra kakra wanya enti no papa posi accident amani pa I say ashwo mo
Inti ebusia da Coastal Television so kind of basra yankafo ya basra homa da mati yeti ya che de bro nya bisa anabro nya leba ya bati akwehia yeti ya che inti wo mo mpare ya yankafo wo mo mpare pa ebusia no na yebe gina na yete oye omanu nsama nsakan nwabiri ni nano meti besi aseda kase no onkoma oye technical team na teacher mpo survey professor Emmanuel Kwame na Banfeje ena onye enanoma wo ba meche cameraman na camera woman ho nyina wabɔ mmɔzen ma enabiri yɛde nsama nsakani na no yɛde Abraham mo yɛ mfide Coastal Television yɛwɔ degeta 514 nti akɔ hɔ a da yɛwɔ nyanyo bɛkyɛ dɛm aso na yɛwɔ live on YouTube no so aba da yɛwɔ bia no nyanyo bɛkyɛ from Kitikeku asɔre ba kofi esuma oyin da no yɛwɔ no kyena